the way you strike the handpan shapes its voice. So it's not about striking and hammering and forcing things. It's about energy, it's about flow, and it's about intention. So think of this way if you were checking a stovetop or a hot iron to see if it's hot. So you won't touch it and rest on the hot oven or hot iron. You will just tip and check, oh, it's hot. So you do it like a gentle fingertip to check things out. And this is like you were touching and playing the handpan. So use the first segment of your finger. I call it the first berry. And let your finger bounce on the center tone. It's like, imagine a flummy, a gummy ball is bouncing and jumping up and down and brings down energy to the ground and it's dropping back. So you bring your personal intention, your personal energy into your handpan and just touch the center tone. Just a light, quick motion. Feel how the note sings when you touch it just right. If you put too much pressure, you hear it get a muffled sound. Or it's a hammering, but you want to bring smooth and soft, with a smooth and soft touch, your energy to the handpan and want to get this energy back. And that's